We're now going to turn to one of the two theories that represents the major intuition behind much thinking when it comes to trying to justify various positions, various decisions, various actions taken from a moral perspective in business. And the first one we're going to look at is a form of consequentialism, the form of consequentialism being utilitarianism. Now, this is a theory that was pioneered by Jeremy Bentham and John Stuart Mill. And the essence of this form of ethical theory and the underlying idea is that what makes an action right or wrong, or what justifies a moral principle, is that it brings about happiness for everyone. In fact, sometimes they say, it's the greatest happiness principle. That's the principle that all of utilitarianism is based on. Now, the truth of the matter is this theory has a tremendous amount of intuitive appeal. And if we consider an example like the famous trolley example that we've discussed earlier, that poses a dilemma. You're either going straight and going to end up running over and killing 5 people on the trolley track, or if you have the alternative of turning, and that will result in the death of only 1, a majority of people typically think that the correct thing, the right thing to do, the morally right thing to do is to turn and end up having fewer people die, and specifically for that reason. And that intuition seems to be appealing to the criterion of morality that underlies utilitarianism, which is sometimes phrased that an action is good to the extent that it promotes happiness. And this criterion of morality is invoking what's known as the principle of utility, and that is that actions and decisions are judged by their consequences to all people, or to all affected people, all the people affected by it.